Hey guys, how's it going? I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but the snow is so thick you can't see the neighbors across the way. It's coming down pretty hard. We have two seasons here. Winter and about 60 days of summer. That's about it. The last few years, all we do is have winter. So anyways, enjoy your nice warm weather in California and the UK and Australia, Brazil. This is what spring looks like in Canada. But it's winter, so I don't think we should have the same spring dates. I think we should have our own. And spring here really isn't until the end of May. See ya. Bye.